You texted her twice in a row again. Watched the typing bubble appear, disappear, then nothing. So you drafted a third message, deleted it, and told yourself you were just being honest about your interest. But chasing didn't show her how much you want her. It shows how little you have going on without her. And the moment you actually stop, not pretend, stop, actually stop, something shifts in her that no amount of effort ever created. There are four laws behind why this works. The fourth one is the reason most men never pull it off. Law 1. Pursuit sets the price. Whoever chases announces who's worth more. Every unanswered text you follow up on, every plan you rearrange, every burst of effort she didn't ask for, all of it is a price tag. And the price tag reads free. The human brain does not treasure what cost nothing. Her interest in you is priced by the effort she has to spend to keep yours. And when you are spending all the effort, she's spending none. So her brain quietly settles the math. This man is available at zero cost. Zero cost, zero value. That's not cruel. That's how value works everywhere, including inside her chest. And this is where most men get the whole thing backwards. Law 2. Wanting grows in the gaps you keep filling. Missing someone isn't a side effect of attraction. It's the mechanism, the wondering, the checking, the little ache of where did he go. That's desire assembling itself in real time. But when you text every morning, reply in seconds, and fill every silence before it can stretch, she never sits in your absence long enough to feel anything about it. You are interrupting the exact process that would make her want you. She cannot crave a man who never leaves. Step back, and the silence starts asking questions on your behalf. Why hasn't he texted? What is he doing? Why do I care? Stop answering them before she even asks. If pulling back is the part you can't get right, doing it without playing games and without going cold, I put together a free guide called the Scarcity Effect. It teaches you how to make her value you without playing any games. It is exactly a step-by-step guide. The link is in the description and it is completely free. Law 3. It only works if it is real. The counterfeit version looks like this. Waiting 3 hours on purpose to reply while checking your phone every 4 minutes. That's not restraint, that's chasing with worse posture. And she feels the performance even when she can't name it. Genuine not chasing was never about acting unavailable. It's about being genuinely occupied. Attention actually redirected into your work, your training, your people, your direction. Manufactured scarcity reads as a tactic. Real scarcity reads as a man with somewhere to be. One creates suspicion, the other creates pull. But the fourth law decides whether you can do any of this at all. Law 4. You can't stop chasing her until you stop needing the verdict. You believed you kept pursuing because she was special, rare enough to deserve the effort. What you were actually chasing was the relief of being chosen. That half second when her reply lands and confirms you are still enough. And underneath every message, that's what she felt. Not desire, but a man quietly handing her the job of deciding his worth. Nobody desires the person whose value they have been made responsible for. The shift is this. When being enough stops riding on her response, the chasing dies on its own. Not as a strategy, as a side effect. And that's the version of you she finally moves toward. So no, the power of not chasing was never the silence, the waiting, the distance. Those are just what it looks like from the outside. The power is a man whose life keeps its gravity whether she orbits it or not. Build that, and you'll never have to remember not to chase her. There will simply be nothing left in you that needs to. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.